Hello everyone. In this video today, I am sharing with you 7 reasons why Picoin will bounce back again very soon. The recent dip in Picoin's price has raised concerns among investors and enthusiasts. Many pioneers are already getting discouraged. Particularly my wife said if she have known, she would have sold the few Picoins that she had. And I had to tell her to cool down. In the next 6 to 12 months, you are going to be glad you held on to your pie. I hope it goes that way because this is crypto. Nothing is certain. The only thing that is certain is uncertainty. So in this video, as I said, we're looking at the reasons why Picoin will bounce back again. However, several factors suggest that a rebound may be on the horizon. And here are the 7 factors or the 7 reasons why Picoin is poised for a potential comeback. Number 1 is the mainnet development. You know, Picoin was previously in its testnet state. Now it has moved to mainnet, and that means it's going to get better from the testing stage to the main use of the pie of the coin. So this mainnet was partially done. Now we are having the second mainnet, and when the mainnet is fully developed, it is expected to bring renewed confidence among the investors and is expected to bring about positive price movement. Another reason why Pi is going to go up again is because of the growing community support. With a robust and expanding user base, Pi network benefits from strong community backing. This widespread support can drive increased usage and demand for Pi coin, potentially boosting its value. The third reason why Picoin is going to rise again is because of strategic token bonds. Implementing token bond mechanisms can reduce the overall supply of Picoin, creating scarcity that may lead to price speculation and price appreciation. Discussions around potential token bonds have sparked optimism among investors. And this is why you have to do your 2FA, do everything you need to do your KYC. Already some people lost their Pi. Some that could not find their passphrase, they already lost their Pi. So all these are going to affect and going to boost the price of Pi in the next few weeks or next few months. Number 4 reason why the price of Pi will go up is because of positive price predictions. Analysts are projected a gradual recovery for Pi coin, with expectation of it reaching approximately 1.35 by the end of March 2025. Such forecasts can influence investor sentiment positively. Another reason why Pi is going to bounce back is because of potential exchange listings. The prospect of Picoin being listed on major cryptocurrency exchanges could enhance its liquidity and accessibility. Many are worried that if Binance is not listing it, and many other major exchanges are not listing it, then what is there for it? But I'm sure they are all working hard to see how they can work together. When it is listed on Binance, Binance will benefit, Picoin will also benefit, Pi network will benefit, everybody gets to benefit. But I am sure there are some paperwork that have not been completed, and that is why it is the way it is. So by the time that is completed and being listed on major exchanges, this is going to attract more investors and also drive up demand. Number 6 reason why Picoin is going to rise again is because of innovative use cases. The development of practical applications and use cases for Picoin within the Pi network ecosystem can increase its utility, encouraging adoption and potentially leading to price appreciation. So apart from this, you also have the market sentiment and trends. The market sentiment, the influencer sentiment, the pioneer sentiment, everybody's sentiment is that Pi to the moon. I was watching a particular crypto guy on TikTok yesterday. He said that was when Pi just listed, the day Pi listed, he said he was making jets. He said by now he will have bought his aeroplane, bought this because the assumption that Pi was going to launch at a very great price. But eventually we saw the price dipping, and it has been dipping since then. So market sentiment and trends, as the broader cryptocurrency market experiences cycles of optimism, Picoin could benefit from favorable market conditions and increased interest in emerging digital assets. So these are the 7 reasons why Picoin is going to bounce back again. While these factors indicate potential for a Picoin rebound, it's essential for investors to conduct thorough research and stay informed about ongoing developments within the Pi network. So if you are buying Pi at this time, for me, it's a good buy. But also know that it is at your own risk. If everything work out, it is at your own risk. If everything doesn't work out, it is at your own risk. But we are all optimistic that things are going to work out, and if it work out, it's at your own risk. Like somebody said, if you succeed, it is your fault. If you fail, it is your fault. So I am sure Pi is going to succeed, and you that you are buying Pi at this time, you too, you are going to succeed. So cryptocurrency investment carry inherent risks, and market dynamics can change rapidly. So there was a guy, specifically Sheon Nicola Kuti, son of Fela. I was listening to him too, I think yesterday evening, and he said that crypto is a scam, that the poor bring in their money, and then just a few people among them are able to take out their money. And he mentioned amount of money that his auntie or his sister lost to crypto, $50,000 or so about. That's a huge chunk of money. Maybe not exactly that amount, maybe not in dollar, maybe in another currency, but it was huge that she lost. Maybe she didn't know how to trade properly. Maybe she didn't know how to invest. Maybe it was a time that crypto was dipping and it went down, because we see Bitcoin moving from about $60-something thousand and it moved to $20,000. Already it has eaten up everything. Then from there it moved back to $65,000, and then it moved to 100, and then back now to 80-something and 90-something. And the projection is that Bitcoin is still going to $200,000. So all these things are for information, and you have to take your own decision and decide what you want to do. So what do you think about Pi? Do you think Pi is going to bounce, the Pi coin will bounce back again, or it will continue to degenerate and continue to go down? The pioneers, those who invest in Pi, those who mine Pi, they are very, very optimistic, and we are just waiting anxiously. If people can wait for this coin for 6 years, I have not known Pi, or have not mined it for more than 6 months, but some people have been mining it for 6 years. If they can mine it for 6 years, there's something about this project. There's something about it. There's something about it. I have that feeling. I just feel it again in me now. There's something about this project. And this feeling I'm having, a spiritual feeling that is pointing to the fact that this Pi is going to go places. A coin that people have mined for 6 years and they were waiting, that Pi must be a serious coin. That coin must be a serious coin. That network must be a serious network. They promised they were going to list. People said they will not list again. Eventually they listed. Now the price is going down. People are shouting. Are they going to go up again? Have they fulfilled their promise before? Have they done good before? Yes. They promised they will list, and they listed. You mined for free for many years, and then you got some coin. I calculated, even if one is making $1 per Pi, and you mine for free, and you have 1,000 Pi that you can transfer, and you sell it, that is, you made $1,000. And that means in Naira, you have become a millionaire in Naira, you have gotten 1.5 million Naira in Naira. And with that, you can start a business. If you really mean business, you can start a business with that. And then you can keep the balance that you have, and then you continue to transact your business, and then continue to mine. And then you can see. So anyhow it is, Pi is a win-win. Pi coin is a win-win. Pi network is a win-win. So these are the reasons or the indicators that show that Pi is going to bounce back again. My name is Olubengadetitu, and I'm your host on this YouTube channel. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the link of this video to family and friends, and keep coming back for more, because on this channel I promise that I am going to ensure that you become rich based on the information I'm sharing with you. So go through my videos for 6 months, and then your life will never remain the same again. I'm going to see you in the next one. Before then, this video popping up by the side from my channel is the next thing you need to watch now. So go ahead and watch it.